Toy is a very common name associated with Indian culture and tradition. It is the smallest thing in the child's world and gives immense pleasure. Toys not only help in learning but inculcate various values and skills among the learners. Puppet as one of the important type of toys, which is most remarkable and ingenious invention of the society. Puppets have their own identity and can be useful in learning of the children. Considering the usefulness of puppets, DIET Khordha have realized the potential of puppetry as a medium of instruction. Puppetry and puppet-based pedagogy has pedagogic importance in motivating children to develop their mental and physical facilities. It ensures art-integrated learning as envisioned in NEP 2020. Puppet-based pedagogy also creates awareness on cross-cutting social issues among children. Experimental learning through puppet as a part of innovative pedagogy focuses on giving exposure to the children as well as the teachers. There are different types of puppets, like shadow puppet. These puppets are a type of flat figure puppet where a shadow is projected onto a screen. Shadow puppets are figures placed between a light and screen to create the illusion of moving animals or people.
ଚତୁର କୁକୁଡ଼ା ଗପ କହିବି। ମୁଁ ମୋ ସାଙ୍ଗକୁ ଡାକୁଛି ସେ ଆସିଲେ ଆମେ ତିନି ଜଣ ସାଙ୍ଗ ହେଇକି ଖେଳିବେ କ କ କ
Glove puppet or hand puppet. The puppets are made from cloth and controlled by the hand that fits to it. This puppet worn over the hand like a glove. As it is controlled by one hand, only the puppeteer has the scope to operate two puppets at once.
भाई को बाट खोल जाऊँचे व्यक्त बने मुझे जाऊँचे बिलई नानी दुकान को जाइए मुझे रसगोला मिठाई गुलाबजाम देखिकी मोर भारी लोभ है 50 बासी जिन केवे खाइब नानी जदि खाइब तुमर देह खराब हब.
Finger puppet. These simple puppets are controlled using a single figure. They do not normally have moving parts, and the only movement comes from the puppeteer bending their fingers or moving their hands. Usually, the puppeteer moves the finger of the character talking.
देख देख ए लेस आनिछि तम पे बढ़िया लागियो मोर जे जेटा खाइले ले जे एटा बरा वृत्तटा नाइ ना तमे वृत्त को वृत्त एटा खाओ एटा ना को जानछटी बिंगो बिंगो ना बेंगो वृत्त त्रिभुज आयतक्षेत्र वर्गक्षेत्र तमे मोर पुणी थरे मने पके देले मो जेजेटा के सुनला जेजेमा.
Stick puppet. Stick puppets are formed from an image which is cut out and stuck to a stick. These puppets are used in elementary schools for making learning fun for the kids.
जंगलर गोटे गछरे चढ़ेईटिए बसा देइथिला. दिने मांकड़ आसी ता बसाकू भांगी देला. चढ़ेई चलीला भालू राजंग पाखकू. हे दुष्ट मांकड़ तू चढ़ेईर बसाकू भांगिलु काहेकी? टिके आग पछ देखि विचार करंतु. जेउ गछरे मांकड़ चढ़ुची तू सेठी बसा करूथुलु काहेकी? सबु चढ़ेई माने मिसी एकाठी होई भालू राजांकू मारी गडैले.
Mask puppet. It is a tool where an actor uses his own head, arms and legs instead of having they operated from outside. This puppet is useful to express different emotions of a child.
मु जहाकू डाकिबी सिया
ଏଠି ବସିବୁ। ଜ କିଏ? ଜ ହଉଛି ଆଜିର ରାଜା। ହ କିଏ? ହାତ ଟେକ। ଆସ। କଣ ହେଲା?
Talking puppet. The puppet is easily engaged on a child's hand and will speak unique, entertaining phrases, promoting creative play and storytelling. It stimulates and develops the imagination, emotional and social skills of the children.
शिक्षक शिक्षयित्री मैंने खेलना गीत गप पपेट्स द्वारा आमको पाठ पढ़ाई था शुणा को देखा आमको बहुत भल लगी था सहज शिक्षा लाभ कर।
Pedagogic approach adopted by DIET Khordha for implementation of puppet-based pedagogy consists of identification of learning outcomes.
Concept identified, learning outcomes. Context development by teacher. Selection of script for puppet-based pedagogy. Identification, preparation of puppet. Implementation. Follow-up discussion with children and reflection. Assessment.
शिक्षण सामग्री गुड़िक मध्यरे पपेट वर्तमान पिलांक पई बहुत उपयोगी हेई परिछि। नुआ नुआ जिनिस द्वारा शिखिबा को आग्रह प्रकाश करथांती। एथिपई शिक्षण सामग्रीर भूमिका गुरुत्वपूर्ण।
This pedagogical approach, designed by DIET Khordha, has found to be effective in implementation of puppet-based pedagogy in elementary schools. Teachers accepted puppet as an effective resource in attaining learning outcomes among students in foundational literacy and numeracy.
National Education Policy 2020 has put more focus on the innovative pedagogy, where puppet-based pedagogy has its own importance. It not only promotes the joyful learning in the class, rather it imbibes the Indian ethos into the classroom system. That's why DIET Khordha has initiated the puppet-based pedagogy in some schools of Khordha on experimental basis, and I hope this puppet-based pedagogy will definitely help our learners to attain the learning outcomes.